that screen used? That is the Lightning, that whole road right there. Like I said, it's some... They started? Yeah. Say what's up, Shahar. So we are here at FuelFest right now, and we're gonna go check out. Show them your fancy VIP bracelet. Come on there.
From LA to West Palm Beach.
VIP. Say hello. This is the wifey. She's got VIP. All this thank you to Shahar. And
thank you to Cody and Randall.
Yeah, that as well. We got the ECLIPSE out here. We got the F-150 Lightning. All the way from California, we've got Shahar's Too Fast and Furious ECLIPSE, which he sold to John. And then some other cool replicas over here. And this is just getting started, so let's go check it out. Let's go to the VIP.
Smile. I'm next to the car.
Let me see that Furious Garage t-shirt you got going on there. There you go. Show the new Monica shirt for me. Ready? It's on the merch store, guys. VIP. You ready, Fancy?
Ready.
You're pretty bougie. You should fit in just fine, right? Again. What you got there, buddy? Some swag?
Yeah.
Very cool. I'm gonna get one of these for Derek because I think he needs to be sent back there to
You serious?
Universal Technical Institute. He's gonna love when he sees this.
Lift the bar once you have to. Turn around, watch. What that does is it tells the caster we don't want to go straight, we want to drift. So lift the bar up. Now when the bar is up, if you turn the steering wheel, the back end kicks out.
Okay. You better be ready, bro. It's a little weird.
Hey, you don't have brakes.
You don't have brakes. Use your foot.
Gabriel, Cody. Yeah, man. See ya. What do you think, man? Amazing. Thanks for coming, dude.
Jeez.
Cody.
That was awesome.
Derek, how you doing, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Cody, Carlos.
What's up, man? Cody, nice to meet you.
Hi, Cody. I'm Jennifer.
My wife.
Hi, Jennifer.
Nice to
Cody,
meet
nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
So who's Lightning is this?
He owns them.
He's a big boss.
That is the Lightning that Paul drove right there. There's a story behind this, Cody. Wow. So we found this truck in Texas. The guy was about 3 months away from taking the engine and transmission out of this and putting it in like an older F100 to do a resto mod. If we didn't catch his truck in time, he had planned to park the damn thing out. So dumb luck, we found it, we hauled ass to Texas, we got it. It's been verified. I have the key car list to fix movie. So Craig Lieberman also been verified it as well. So it's rough looking, man, but this is pre-restoration. We're gonna restore the hell out of this. Yeah.
Dude, I had no idea.
It's been verified. Like, oh, Craig Lieberman, like, it's the thing. This is it. This is the actual truck. Holy shit, yeah. Dude. Feel free to sit inside of it, Cody. I mean, wow. No way. Yeah.
He should be in ignition.
Yeah. This is the truck. It, like I said, it's in.
They start it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it has a dead cylinder, but
When did you pick it? When did you save it, I guess?
So check it out. I own a couple Fast and Furious cars, and then I tried to figure out what museums didn't have and what was out there in existence. So I hired a private investigator. We went down the key car list, and that's how we found it. It was about a year ago that we picked this thing up, and then we immediately brought it to our garage. And this is going to get one amazing restoration. We're talking bed off, cab off, frame all done. It's going to be perfect, like we normally do.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Yeah. Right
I've
now we're
seen
doing Letty's 240 SX. We're restoring. We have the race horse car, and that one's getting a full rotisserie restoration. Everything's on our YouTube. We're showing the fans what we're doing. I'm a huge fan, and it's just one amazing venture.
So cool. Thank you for bringing it out, man.
So the sticker, we added that on there. Obviously, that wasn't
Right.
on the truck, but yeah.
Right, sure,
yeah.
sure.
But yeah, 100%, man. And then the Eclipse over there is also one that Paul drove as well. That's stunt number 2 from the Fast and Furious. Yes.
Really? Wow, man. Here, let's get a photo. No, that is absolutely nuts. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Mind if I get in there with you, man?
Yeah, no, all right, yes, please do.
Awesome. I love it. Good job.
Crazy.
Good job. All right. Couple of
Would you do me the honors of signing this truck?
Yes, yeah,
All
for
right.
sure.
And yeah, if you want to know more about the Eclipse, man, I'll be happy to tell you about that as well.
Yeah.
That was used in Fast 1, and then they reused it in Fast 2 for some of the background scenes. So
Okay.
in Fast 2, it was painted and then somebody repainted it back to green. But that was also been verified as well.
But this is not Hero, it's Stunt.
Stunt 2, yes. So this would be the car used in the Dodger Stadium scene, and then where it's kind of up above the city and you see the car slowly drive away, that's this one right here.
This one
yeah. Yep, it's got quite the history, and like I said, it was in both Fast 1 and Fast 2 because they reused a lot of the stunt cars from the first film and brought them to the second film. But the super cool thing about this, there was a Too Fast, Too Furious driving school video that has your brother driving this, learning how to autocross in that, and it's this car right here. Yeah, so this probably has the most history than any of the Eclipses that were built for the film, out of the 7. Yeah. You can see the blue oversight.
The reverse lights.
Yeah.
You really see it on the reverse lights.
Yeah.
From like a Mako paint job?
Yeah,
Pretty
basically,
much,
yeah.
But yeah, he was autocrossing in this with, I think, what Randy Popes was teaching him how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The idea that Randy had worked with Paul.
Yeah.
'Cause I know Randy.
Yeah, so
He's never mentioned anything.
there was a driving school
He's got
video.
some explaining to do.
Yeah.
Great guy,
Yeah,
man.
even Craig Lieberman verified it as well. There was a driving school video, and he's driving it, and it's a specific car right here because it was painted blue for that scene, and then this car obviously has blue overspray all over it. And then somebody repainted it green, obviously, and didn't do the greatest job, but at least they left something good, which is cool with me.
Yeah, so cool.
Yeah, man, no worries, man. I've been wanting to reunite you with these cars for quite some time and show you what we have. We have a lot more in the collection as well.
This whole time. Oh, you live in California?
I live in a great place.
Shahar, can I get that pen? Oh, black one, man. Pick us both the dashes.
Shahar, I got black and silver in my pocket. So I don't. If this is gray.
I need, hold on 1 second. Let me get my, take that.
Video or it didn't happen?
Where at?
Where you at?
Anywhere you want, Cody, is fine with me.
That's black.
That's black.
Yeah, so I would say on the dash itself, if you wouldn't mind.
Here? Up there?
Yeah, up above is fine. Yeah. Sorry. It's
No, you're good.
Yeah, it's been a crazy day.
Sorry, I'm a lefty. I gotta. There you go.
Much appreciated.
Of course.
And if you would do the same for Lightning, man, I'd really appreciate that as well.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Just give me a second. I can do that.
Yeah, probably right on the airbag would probably work.
There you go, man.
I appreciate it.
Of course.
Man, much appreciated, dude. Of course. Yeah.
Thank you so much for being part of today and bringing these out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sorry it took me so long to get a moment.
That's cool, man.
But
Yeah,
I
we have many
appreciate
more cars, so if you want some at your events or whatever, we'll loan them out to you for sure. No charge or anything like that. Just let us know and bring it
Yeah,
over.
we got 8 from the original movie
Yeah.
and 2 from Fast Forward.
Right on. So next, we've got a full schedule. We'll be back here next year. Next one though is in Texas, April 16th at the Motor Speedway. It's Fort Worth, and then probably same time of year next year.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Sounds good, man.
So yeah, sure appreciate
Thanks,
you
man.
guys.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
So we are back safe and sound from Fuel Fest. What an amazing day, and to be able to share the stories of these two vehicles with Cody Walker and the significance behind the Lightning and the Eclipse and how he found it and the story behind it was just an amazing experience as well. And to have him sign them and just kind of a one-on-one moment with him to have a chat with him was super cool. Also, thank you to the fans and followers and subscribers of our channel that came out to meet with Derek and I and show your support. That always means a lot to us. We enjoy talking about these cars and sharing them with you guys. So also big shout out to Shahar. Thank you so much, man, for helping us with this and speaking with Cody and the VIP access that we got and getting the cars in and out easily and the spot you guys had reserved. That's definitely made it very, very easy for us getting in and out of the event. So all in all, great day. Thanks so much. So I'm gonna go in slowly.
No, I think we're good. I need to go down.
You need to go down? All
I
right.
need to go down.
So I turn this really fast, right?
No, we don't turn it fast.
Just kidding, man.
You want to paint your engine bay again.
All right.